Hello dear fans. Does Freon smell? In 1928, British scientists T. Migley and C. Kettering synthesized in their laboratory a new refrigerant, which later received the name Freon. Before the invention of this compound, all kinds of toxic gases were used in refrigerators, due to which people sometimes even had accidents, including fatal ones. Thanks to the invention of Freon, mankind was able to use household refrigerators at home, and subsequently air conditioners. This refrigerant consists of several types of chlorofluorocarbons, which are organic compounds and contain various halogens. Freon varieties. About 40 types of such compounds are currently known. Most of them are toxic substances and are used only in industry. In the manufacture of household appliances, only 4 types of freons are mainly used. R407C and R410A for air conditioners, R600A and R134A for refrigerators. Until recently, R12 and R22 freons could also be used in the production of refrigerators and air conditioners. However, in 2010, due to the negative impact on the ozone layer, the use of R12 in household appliances was prohibited in Russia. Restricted in our country and the use of R22. Its import into Russia is prohibited, and production is strictly limited. Does Freon smell? All 4 types of Freon used today in the production of household appliances are safe for the environment and have absolutely no smell. Of course, these compounds, like almost any other liquid, have a smell, but a person can smell it only if there is a lot of such Freon. Even with a serious leak of this type of refrigerant from an air conditioner or refrigerator, the apartment owners will not be able to smell it. The only exception in this regard is Soviet household appliances. Freon R12, which was once used in the manufacture of refrigerators, has a rather noticeable sweetish smell, reminiscent of chloroform. For a person in a domestic environment, Freon R12 does not pose a particular danger. But in industrial zones, its concentration of more than 30% can lead to suffocation of workers. Freon R22, like R12, smells like chloroform. At the same time, in comparison with R12, it is somewhat more poisonous, but still does not pose a particular danger to humans, a compound. Previously, this refrigerant was widely used in the manufacture of air conditioners. But today split systems with R22 are practically not produced. Thanks for watching.